Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to change your currency display in the Binance app? Here's how to do it in just a few simple steps. First of all, open your Binance app and log into your account. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Currency to see available options. Select your desired currency and Binance will update your display instantly. Now, all prices will be shown in your selected currency across the app. And that's it. You have successfully changed your currency in the Binance app. Like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.